Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you on how do I wash my shoes using a washing machine. So I hope that this video would somehow help you on how are you going to wash your shoes using a washing machine to make our life easier and lighter. Okay, so here we go guys. This is how I wash my shoes using a washing machine. So first, I need to turn it on. So we need to press this one. Okay, and then so it's on, and then I need to set into this one. I don't know what does it mean, but actually this is how I wash my shoes in this temperature. So here it goes, and then you can see I don't know what's it all about, but then the timer is 59 minutes. So I try to open the one and then put in my shoes over there, and then I also remove the shoelace. So here, so I just put it there, and then I need to put it there. So close that one, and then I need to open here to put some detergent. Since it's already there, I need to press this one to start. So there you go. Right after 59 minutes, I will update you on how does it goes. Alright, so this time it's already done washing my shoes in the washing machine and then my washing machine. So this time I need to turn it off. Turn the door, this one. Okay, so the door is open. Then get on my shoes. So here we go. So here we go, guys. Oh, see, really good, really clean. See.